traders. Now if you go through my videos, I talked about this opportunity. In fact, I'll just quickly show that to you in my post. If we go down, this was the gold, mastering gold, a trading plan for success. If you click that, you'll see, well, there's an update. I updated it, but we were looking for this retrace here and an entry point right there as it was. We got it, and look at the opportunity. So what I want to do with this video is continue on. I've added this to the thing. I just took a snapshot of that, but let's just get rid of this. Now what I want to do with this video now is give you my take on gold and see, you know, what we've got. I mean, look, seriously guys, it's an easy video. It's the same strategy always. Let's just go out to the 4-hour chart. In fact, I'll just get rid of that 4H and get our bearings. Yeah, this is now trading into these buy side liquidity up in here. I'm expecting this to react off this level. Buy side as in these buy stops that are resting up here above these levels prior to sell. Right, so that's a big zone, big resistance. Right, so if we go down the time frame, well, actually we could stay on the 4H. I mean, it's the same story. I'm always looking for, you know, where I see a break of market structure. It trades in, you know, actually this could be a counter trend short here. I might even think about that. But we've got a couple of things. We've got this imbalance right there on the 4-hour time frame. That's a target. And look, it's a simple strategy. Here's my low to high Fibonacci. I'm always looking for that pullback down into equilibrium. Okay, it's trending. Now, can it keep trading south and take us out? Well, yeah, absolutely it can. I mean, look at this here, for example. If anybody entered here long, see, look at this run on liquidity here. So that's the trap or the risk that we take. Let's just say, you know, there's the strategy, low to high. Okay, pull back into 50. Let's just say that was an entry long. All right, stop above the previous low down in here. There you go. Okay, anybody who entered that trade was taken out. Right, that's the risk, and that's going to happen every now and again. But you know, most of the time, I mean, look at these pullbacks. If you run with this strategy, you're going to do okay. Every now and again, one gets taken out, so you lose 1R, but you gain, you know, 2, 4, 6, 10R. Right, that's the idea. So you have to take the risk. So I'm looking for the pullback down into here for an opportunity to get long. But you know, rather than just you know, guessing or assuming that this is going to rotate here, this is my point of interest. What we can do is go down to a 15-minute and keep an eye on price action. Right, we know that this is a point of interest down in here. We've got an imbalance. That's a potential target. Look, can this trade bullish from here and leave us behind? Yeah, it certainly can. But I wouldn't be interested in buying at a premium. Right? I want the discount. So if it does hold here and continue up, I'll let it go and wait for the next opportunity. So what I'm looking for is a potential for this to pull back and give me an opportunity down in here. Now, yeah, don't just blindly trade it. I mean, look, you could speculate with a limit buy, right? But what I'm going to be looking for is price action. I want to see it trade down, and I've got systems in place to let me know when this is starting to shift gears. You know, that's what I'm looking for. I want that opportunity. It could happen. It could happen. It could happen here. It could happen around this bullish order block down in here, or okay, it could happen further south. You know, it could trade back down in here, looking for these sell stops sitting under here. So you know, this is the price action I want. But you know, where it shapes up or where it actually rotates, we don't know yet. All right. So there's 3 levels. 1 is this imbalance. 2 is this around the order block, and 3 is below this value area where there's liquidity as well, right? So wherever this happens to do its thing, I want to know about it. Right now I have systems in place that let me know when this rotation is occurring. All right, so I'll be setting up my alerts to give me that. All right, look, that's my take on gold. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this, guys. So definitely leave a comment below and share the love. And with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.